Okay, next section is what about my family? Because it's not just me here for many people in this group, right? So one of the things that we get is everyone in my family has a different diet, or my partner and I don't like the same foods or don't eat the same foods. So the first question that I would ask here, instead of giving you just a straight answer, is why, right? And this isn't an accusatory thing, right? Is it just because your kids are picky? Is it because there are allergies? Is it because there are different preferences? Do people just refuse to eat certain foods? Because with kids, at least, yeah, it's hard to get them to eat plain steamed broccoli, but if you try again and again, because kids have to be exposed to things multiple times before they'll eat them, right? I have plenty of kids that I coach that eat vegetables. I didn't eat vegetables as a kid, so I see that kind of thing too, right? So we want to make it as easy as possible on you, the cook, without having to make 4 different meals every single night, because we've already talked about how preparing food takes too much time. So we don't want to add things onto that standard and that question as well. So the easiest way that you can tackle this is to kind of make like a buffet style, or build a bowl, or like a taco night, basically. So instead of making full recipes for every night, or a full recipe for every single person that is not eating the same meal, you just make ingredients really similar to the build a bowl, right? And then people can choose and pick which ones they want to eat and which ones they don't.